Hi, Nicole. I got your question, and I'm going to try to work it online and talk, and hopefully that will help you. It's negative 9 over 16 plus 1 over 8. I'm supposed to add these two, and in order to add fractions, I've got to get them to have like units, which means like denominators. And so I look at 16 and 8, and I notice that if I multiplied 8 by 2, I'd get 16, and so the least common denominator of 16 and 8 is 16. And so I'm going to actually multiply that 1/8 by 2 over 2. So I'm multiplying that. Let me see if I can get a times in there. I might be a little bit slow trying to do this with my symbols. So I'm going to build this fraction up so it has a like denominator. So what does that mean? Now I have negative 9/16 plus 1 times 2 gives me 2, and 8 times 2 gives me 16. And so I've rewritten 1/8 as 2 over 16. Now that they're the same units, I can just add the numerators. And so my next step will be to have negative 9 plus 2 all over that common denominator of 16. So I have a negative number and I'm adding a positive number. And so that means I'm going to subtract them. 9 minus 2 is 7, and I'm going to keep the sign of the number that's the farthest away from 0, which is negative 9. And so my final answer is going to be negative 7 over 9. And one thing to note is that you can either write that negative with the numerator, negative 7 over 9, or you can write it like they did on this screen with the negative on the outside of the parentheses, negative 7 over 9. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have other questions.